wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best guitar pick punches. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. For an affordable option, consider the econoled LED plectrum press. It doesn't bevel or round edges, but it can create standard picks out of materials up to 1 mm thick, giving you the chance to make use of that stack of old credit cards. It works on many types of plastic and comes with a large double spring, but it's not as durable as some. At number 6, the hqmaster cutter looks a little lighter and less robust than the majority of its competition, but it has enough heft and staying power to chop away at thin plastic. It comes with 2 plain strips to get you started. There are several colors to choose from, and it comes in at a wallet-friendly price. However, it tends to leave rough edges. Coming in at number 5 on our list. Whether you want to use ABS, PVC or celluloid, you'll be all set with the elrido DIY. It can work with all kinds of raw materials, from gift cards to hotel keys. A soft strip protects tabletops, and it's a robust metal construction. It's small and highly portable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for guitar pick punches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, like many great musicians, the Pickmaster Premium hails from the United Kingdom. Its sleek, shiny, all-metal design gives it a cool, clean aesthetic. There's a file built into the handle, and it's made from durable materials. However, it takes a lot of pressure to work. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Pick Punch Original claims to be the first and best option available on the consumer market. While those claims can't be easily substantiated, there's no denying it's reliable, easy to operate, and sturdy enough to last for years, even if you use it often. It creates standard 351 shapes and weighs just over 1 pound. It includes helpful instructions. At number 2, the Bridgewire Music Perfect Puncher arrives with enough strips of material to create 50 medium-gauge plectrums in a slew of interesting styles. It also comes with a smoothing file to take care of any jagged edges. It features a pick holder, a heavy base for stability, and a comfortable curved handle. And taking the top spot on our list, the Pick-a-palooza Mega Pack comes with everything you need to get started, including a guitar-shaped emery board for smoothing out rough edges, a leather pick-holding keychain, and 15 brightly colored patterned plastic strips ready to be punched into shape. It also includes a stainless steel blade and is suitable for heavy-duty use. It's a good value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for guitar pick punches, or simply click beneath this video.